I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a template or opening a blank doc. This gives you immediate structure to tweak. Set a soft page color and slightly wider margins to create breathing room, and choose a primary font for body text plus a complementary accent font for headings. Once done, adjust line spacing and paragraph spacing so blocks of text feel airy. Make sure to name your document and enable version history as you experiment so you can revert if a styling choice doesn't work. You now layer decorative elements without sacrificing readability. Replace plain headings with your accent font, add emojis sparingly to inject personality, and use small icons for section markers. Insert a header or footer containing a tiny logo, date, or pattern stripe to unify pages. For emphasis, create callouts by inserting a one-cell table or a drawing with rounded corners and a pale fill, then adjust padding. Make sure to align these elements consistently across pages so the document reads as a cohesive design. You finish by polishing spacing, checking contrast, and simplifying any overly ornate choices. Export to PDF to confirm layout and font fidelity, because what looks right in the editor might shift when shared. Run the accessibility check to ensure headings and alt text are present, then compress or swap large images to speed load times. If fonts or alignment break when others open the doc, switch to drive-hosted fonts or system-safe alternatives, or attach a PDF version to guarantee the cute design stays intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.